Google Keep is one of the best note-taking application for your ChromeOS. Here are two ways to install Google Keep on Chromebook. So that's been said, let's get started. First method, using Google Play Store. For that, simply open your Google Play Store and here on the search option, search for Google Keep and hit enter. And from the search result, simply select Google Keep and click on the install button and wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, you can simply click on this open button to use Google Keep. Second method, using Google Chrome. Let me tell you that when you install any application from Google Play Store, it will install the Android version of the application, which will consume some of your resources. However, if you want a lighter experience of Google Keep, you can create PWA using Google Chrome. For that, simply open your Google Chrome browser and visit keep.google.com. On the address bar, you will find an option to install Google Keep as an application, or else you can also click on three-dot icon, then click on Save and Share, and here you will find Install Google Keep option. Simply click on this option and here click on this install button and it will install Google Keep PWA on your Chromebook. If you want to pin this application, you can simply right click on this icon, then click on pin. Now to launch it quickly, you can simply use this. You can also open Google Keep from the app launcher. For that, simply click on this app launcher icon and here you will find two Google Keep option, as we have installed Google Keep using two different methods. One is Google Play Store method and another one is Google Chrome method. The Google Play Store application will name as Keep Notes and the application which we have installed using Google Chrome will be named as Google Keep. So that's it. These are the two ways by which you can install Google Keep on your Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.